Welcome to Star Technology 5G. In the last video, we studied how to chasing the LEDs using PIC16F877 microcontroller. In today's video I will show you how to change the LEDs pattern using PIC16F877 microcontroller. Let's start the video. Please subscribe to the Star Technology 5G and click on the bell icon. Project: How to change the LEDs pattern. In this project, LEDs are connected to port D of the PIC16F877 microcontroller, and the microcontroller is operated from an 8 MHz crystal. LEDs are connected in current sinking mode and the value of the resistors is 260 ohms. When power is applied to the microcontroller, or when the microcontroller is reset, the LEDs change the pattern and there is a delay between outputs so the LEDs can be seen turning on and off. Here is the circuit diagram we are using in our project. This is PIC16F877 microcontroller. Pin number 1 is master reset. Port D is interfaced with LEDs. And we are using the current sinking mode of the LED. The value of the resistors is 260 ohm. Pin numbers 13 and 14 are the interface with an 8 MHz crystal and 22 PF capacitors are connected with the crystal. Pin number 11 and 32 are connected with positive 5 volts. Pin number 12 and 31 are connected with ground volt. Let's draw this circuit in Proteus. The circuit is ready. Now we will write its code in Micro PIC. Here is the window where we can write the code. I already wrote the code, otherwise video gets very long, and will copy the code. And I will paste here. Now I will define the code. Unsigned char x. That is a variable. Void delay unsigned int. Time. That is delay function with variable name time. Unsigned int y, z. There are two variables. We are using these variables in for loop. For y is equal to 0, y is less than time, and increment the y. For z is equal to 0, z is less than 500, and increment the z. Void main.
is the main function of the C language. TRISD equals 0B00000000 semicolon. This is binary value. This instruction set port D as output port. Port D equals 0B11111111. This instruction turn off all LEDs. While 1 is repeated forever loop. For x equals 0, x less than 5 and increment the value of x. This for loop repeat 5 times. Port D equals 0B10101010. This line send 10101010 binary code to port D. And call the delay function and give value of 200. Port D equals 0B01010101. This line sends 0101010 binary code to port D. And again call the delay function and give a value of 200. Next, create another for loop. For x equals 0, x less than 10 and increment the value of x. This for loop repeat 10 times. Port D equals 0B11001100. This line send 11001100 binary code to port D. And call the delay function and give value of 400. Port D equals 0B00110011. This line sends 00110011 binary code to port D. And again call the delay function and give the value of 400. Next, create another for loop for another pattern. For x equals 0, x less than 15 and increment the value of x. This for loop repeat 15 times. Port D equals 0B11111000. This line send 11111000 binary code to port D. And call the delay function and give value of 200. Port D equals 0B00001111. This line sends 00001111 binary code to port D. And again call the delay function and give the value of 200. It will repeat the code again and again. Because we are using while one loop as the endless loop. Now we will create the hex file. Just click on the build icon. Finished successfully. File is created. Now we will load hex file into the microcontroller. Double click on the microcontroller. Select the hex file. OK. And click on the Run Simulation. You can see LEDs change pattern one by one. The first pattern repeat 5 times. Second pattern repeat 10 times. And the third pattern repeat 15 times. If you have any problem with the code, let me know in comments. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the Star Technology 5G. And keep watching Star Technology 5G.